Okay, so for breakfast, Lou has egg whites, which I purchased these years ago. And I just fill them up with egg whites and put them in the microwave for 3 minutes. You can also cook your egg whites on the stove, that's fine. But for time, we just do it this way, and he says they don't taste any different. I top it off with some Mexican-style cheese, and on top is 3 pieces of no sugar bacon. And Lou does not eat an abundance of bacon, only once in a while. And topped it with just avocado, smashed avocado. And on the bottom of the plate is chipotle sauce. And many of you, oh, and let's not forget his beautiful cup of coffee. Oh my goodness, look at that. I wish I loved coffee, but I don't. So there is Louis' breakfast for today, and it changes. I don't give him bacon every single day. Sometimes it's topped with sliced tomatoes. Sometimes it's Canadian bacon. An assortment of things. It can be the night before, whatever's left over, I will chop up and put on there. I'm very lucky though. Lou will eat anything that you prepare for him. He is not picky. So there is breakfast. Bon appetit. Okay, after lunch, and this is where Lou gets dirty keto, he will have his third or fourth cup of coffee. This is his third cup. What, you're bashful now? You can't say it? Third cup of coffee. And look at that crema. And then he will have a Quest cookie. Turn that around for me, Lou, so I can show them the ingredients. Go ahead, turn it around. The other way, turn it around. Yep. All right, so it has 11 grams of fiber. Well, right there. Okay, 21 carbs, but you take out 11 fiber, 5 erythritol, and so it has 5 net carbs. So this is what we consider dirty keto, because on clean keto, you eat only whole foods, no packaged foods. Okay? Okay, so that's his snack. We'll see you at dinner. Okay, it's dinner. It is Saturday night, so we either have a homemade pizza or homemade chicken wings. So tonight we're having chicken wings, which I made in the air fryer, and that's my sauce. I use the Primal Kitchen Buffalo. It's a vegan sauce, I think. It's made with cashews, and we have plenty of celery. And then Lou has his traditional buffalo wing sauce and a regular blue cheese. And he will eat as much as he wants, and he'll eat all of it. He'll eat the celery, he'll eat the blue cheese and the hot sauce, and then he will have a little bit of dessert after. It's really important, especially for Lou, that he still feels like he's able to enjoy the foods that he loves. So instead of having deep fried wings, which are no good for us, I do them in the air fryer, and it just makes them a healthier option for us. So we are going to enjoy this, and we shall be back with dessert. And he also has a Mick Ultra beer. Okay, so now it is dessert time for Louis, and he has these keto ice cream bars, and this is the sea salt caramel, but there is something that must be done before he eats this, and what is that, Louis?
Nuke it for 11 seconds.
11 seconds, not 10, not 12. And the reason for doing that is it softens it up. These are higher in fat, So when they're frozen, they're difficult to bite into, aren't they?
It's just they taste better when they're creamier.
Yes, so nuking them just a little bit makes them creamier. So he's going to enjoy his ice cream bar, and I'm sure it will not be the last trip to the kitchen for Louie.